All right, today we're at MarineMax Lake Norman checking out the 195 Sport Dorado by Scout. This is in the crystal blue with the metallic accent stripe. Bimini top, rod holders throughout the edge. Got a huge textured gunnel. Can stand on the bow. This would be a perfect dual purpose boat if you're looking to do some fishing at the lake and then possibly take it down to the coast. Powered by a 150 Mercury 4-stroke. We'll take a look inside. All right, inside the Dorado, you've got dual captain's chairs, of course, flip seat in the back. So this will offer a leaning post too if you're fishing. Rod holders up at the cockpit. You've got a combination of JL audio with the Fusion head unit and a Garmin controller for all your boat management. Nice windshield. Coming up to the front, storage under both of these, all the seats. We also have a huge storage box under the bow seat, the bow cushion. And again, a nice textured bow finish, anchor locker, so you can stand up and fish on the edge if you want. Full coverage bimini. It's got some storage on the passenger side here with the little glove box, as well as down below storage underneath the console. But being a Dorado, it does have dual consoles. Check this Scout and many other boats out at Lake Norman MarineMax. Thanks.